Welcome to the EMMO PARALO PRO assembly video. This video will guide you through the step-by-step unboxing and assembly process. Confirm the bike's model and color. Record the serial number and take a photo for reference. Cut the tape and cut the cardboard along the edges. Inside the box, you'll find all the necessary parts for the bike assembly, a battery, and an accessory box. Remove all the packaging from the bike carefully. Follow the installation warnings to prevent damage to components. Start by installing the handlebar. Open the axle nut cover caps. Use a 5mm Allen key to remove the stem top cap, and keep it. Ensure the light and brake cables are routed in front of the head tube, and the handlebar clip is facing forward. Then, place the handlebar stem bolt on the head tube. Reinstall the headset top cap. Secure the handlebar stem using a 5mm Allen wrench on the stem binder bolt. Adjust the handlebar to align with the front wheel, then tighten it with a 5mm Allen wrench. Close the axle nut cover caps. Following that, adjust the headlamp as needed. Then secure it with a 6mm Allen wrench. Use a 2.5mm Allen key to loosen the 4 screws on the Bluetooth display bracket. Adjust its angle as needed, don't force it. And then secure it. Align the 2 arrows, then hook up the brake cables. Install the pedals next. Identify the left and right pedals based on the markings. Tighten the right pedal clockwise. Tighten the left pedal counterclockwise, then secure it with a wrench. Take the battery out of the packaging. Check the battery indicator lights for their status. Align the battery with the bike slot, then press down until it clicks securely into place. Use the key to lock the battery. Final check. Pump both tires to the recommended pressure, between 25 and 30 psi. Tighten all screws securely. Ensure they meet the recommended torque values. Use straps to secure the bike frame and battery. Congratulations! Your e-bike is now assembled and ready to ride.